Hello guys, welcome today. Welcome to In25's YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos, and those of you that have dropped comment of encouragement. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, and if this is your first time of you know visiting this channel, please, I want to please ask you or plead with you to subscribe to this channel. Just help me grow this channel. Okay, by doing that, you're encouraging me to put up more content on this channel. All right, and if you have subscribed, if you are after subscribing, please like the video, drop nice comments. If there's places where you want me to improve on, you can also drop the comment. All right, and then please share this video. All right, help me to share this video. Okay, so now that's that. So today I am going to be showing you guys a very cool stuff. All right, today I'm going to show you how to build a fully functional school management system. This is a fully packaged school management system. So if you want to build for a school or any institution a management system, this is the right video for you. Okay, yes, you heard me correctly. You, at the end of this video, you are going to be able to build a fully functional school management system that takes care of text, courses, results, all right, and all that. Okay, so let's really get into it. All right, so yeah, the two things that you need first is to get what, a domain name and a hosting account. All right, yeah, those are the first two things you need. All right, you need to register the domain name and then you need to host it. Okay, now I think I have a video of how you can register a domain name. If you don't already know how to do that, I'll put a link on the description of this video so you can maybe watch that, all right, before coming back to this video. And if you already know that, that's cool. Now the second thing is a hosting. All right, there are a lot of hosting uh, solutions or services out there, but I think I want to recommend you a very good one. Okay, because there are some hosting companies don't have some kind of stuff. For instance, you may need a script, all right, that runs on, let's say, PHP, maybe an old version, and then maybe a particular uh, hosting company that you just don't know, you just went to register with, not have it. And then you end up spending that money, like wasting that fund, and then you go and look for another one that has a particular requirement. So now I would recommend you a very good hosting that I've been using, all right, for my stuff. I will recommend a good hosting company called Bluehost. All right, that's the hosting company I recommend you. You won't have any issues. All right, so I'm going to put my referral fees, I'm going to put my referral link under the description of this video. Please use it to register. Okay, when you register, of course, it helps me. These are the stuff that helps me, that encourages me to put up content like this. All right, so when you use my link to register, they are going to give me some benefits. All right, and also you can also do that after registering. You also get bonus, or you get discount, okay, on your purchase. Like you get the money will be reduced for you. Okay, do you understand? All right, so now let's assume that you've gone to Bluehost, you've registered through my link, and then now you have your cPanel details given to you. So the third thing we'll need a front end script, or let's say the front end file. Okay, and I'm going to be using an HTML for the front end, okay? And then we're going to use PHP script for the back end. So the front end is actually the informative side where you get to just read about the school, you know, what the school does and all that kind of shit. Then the back end is where people can maybe have a login into the what's it called, the system, and maybe view courses, maybe view subjects, and then maybe take tests. You understand? That's the backend. Teachers also, that's the backend. They can use it to log in into the system, maybe submit tests, courses, and all that. You understand? And even the admin of the school. All right, so that's the back end. So that's the third thing you will need. You need the front end script and then the back end script. Okay, so it's also available. I'm going to put up my contact on the description of this video. You can contact me and then you will get the script. All right, so now without much further ado, let's jump right into the action. Okay, so you already have your cPanel details. What you need to do is to first log in into what your cPanel. So let me log in into mine. I'm going to be using this domain. This is just for educational purpose. So I'm going to use this domain to log in. So you pick up the username, you paste it, go to, please, if you already don't know the shortcut for to copy and to paste, to copy is actually you press the Control key and C, that will help you copy it, and then if you want to paste it, you press the Control key and V, that's plus V. You just press the Control key down, then you press the V, it will paste it. So as well as to copy, press the Control key down and then the C. All right. So now we are logged in into what the cPanel. Okay. So yeah, what do we do next? The first thing we want to do, because we're going to start with the front end, I'm just going to upload the front end script. Then it's just all about editing. You're just going to edit the text and the image, you know, to suit what your content or what you want it to look like, how you want it to look like. All right, so let me scroll down. Here's the file manager. Click the public underscore HTML. Okay, so now here is where we have to upload what? Our files to. Okay, so the first thing, like I said, I want to do, I want to upload the front end. Okay, that's the informative side of the informative content side of the site. Yeah, your web people can go and read information about the site. So I'll go to upload, click select file. Yeah, I'll click the here's the front end script. First of all, we have to upload the front end script, which is this. Okay, and then so we'll have to wait for it to upload to 100%. Okay, so let's just wait for it and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so it is uploaded successfully. So we have to click this to go back to the file. So what you do next is click on this, right click and extract. Cool. So after extraction, we have to click on the folder here, and then we right click. We click on this to select all the files. and right click, then we move, click the move. We have to delete this folder. We want to put it directly under the public underscore HTML. Actually, this is the folder that presents you with the front end side. Whatever you're putting directly under the public underscore HTML is what, when you enter the domain name, that's what you see. Okay, so if I were to make it slash something, if I go to the domain name, I wouldn't see this until I put the domain name slash whatever I'm going to put. Okay, so but I want to make sure that it's directly under the front end, like sorry, under the root, okay, directory. So okay, so we have to click this up one level. Let's go back to the previous, okay, directory. So now here is all the files, and then now what we have to do, want to check this. I want to make sure, you know, there are different kind of what's it called, page. Okay, but I want to select one that will actually represent the front end of the site. Okay, yep, this is actually what I want to represent the front end. So I'm going to edit this and rename it. Make sure I put something like triple Z, something like that. Okay, and then now I will actually make this. Sorry, I have to go back there. Oops. Okay, so yeah. Okay, here is the file I want to make home page. All right, so if you want a particular file to be the home page, it's actually the index.html. Okay, so yeah, so I think I've actually done that now. So let's see what happens when we go to the home page of the site. Let me copy this. Let's open a new tab and see what happens. All right, so this is actually what we have at the front end of the site. If you can look, let's just scroll a little bit, okay, and see. I think it's a little bit cool. Okay, so yeah, you can actually edit all the stuff into the information you want. Okay, to you want the information, you can actually edit all the information or content here to yours. All right, so this is the footer part of it. Okay, and then look at it, just look at it. Wow, this is cool, this is nice. You can actually, you know, edit this whole thing and then make it yours, make it what the content you want it to be. All right, so I think I would just, let's just see how to just edit it briefly, because my main concern is actually the back end of the site, that's the management system. Okay, but let me just show you how to edit a little, okay, of this. All right, so what you have to do is to scroll down to here, index.html, right click on it and edit, click edit, and then wow, you just click on the edit file. All right, so here is where you start editing the site. For instance, let's change the title here. As you can see, we're having this place as the title, this content. So let's edit it, and then, you know, it's a whole line of codes here. We have up to, yeah, 2000 plus line of code. So I think there's something that will help us to edit really quickly. Okay, so let's assume that we want to change anywhere there is study, school, college, and university template. Let's say we want to edit anywhere in this whole line of codes. instead of checking them one by one, scrolling down, looking and finding where all the places, okay, what we can do is just to Control F like this. You just hit Control F and then paste this. Right, so luckily I think it's only one place that this article is written, that's college and university. So you can see the one of one. If it were to be maybe appearing maybe 20 times, you will see one of 20 years. So you can just um, you know replace. I'll show you how to do that, but let's just click this addition sign. Then what do you want to replace it to? Let's say in 24 hours school. All right, so what you do now, you just click this replace. As you can see here, you now have in 24 hours school. So let's click save changes. Okay, save changes. Now if you come back here, you see this school, study school, college, and that. If you just refresh, okay, or you reload, you see that it's appearing now in 24 hours school. Sorry, in 24 hours school. All right, so let's go back and then let's see how to change this our best school institute, this one. So like I said, let's go back there and then Control A, remove this. So we're having something called our best study. Let's type here our best. It's actually appearing one time. So look at the portion here, just by putting our like this, okay, sorry, our best, you can see somewhere here our best, okay, things one of one, we can just easily put in 24, okay, and then this study put 24 hours institute, you can just put school, 24 hours school. So if we just hit the change here, save changes, I believe right now that will be changed to, so as you can see in 24 hours school. All right, so you can also do the same for this endpoint is international. Let's go back and see what we can have there. I think it's about, okay, look at it here. The endpoint is actually appearing 8 times. I mean, sorry, the edu. So what we want to do here is to, let's say, points, is to just add in 24 hours school. Okay, so instead of edu point is a international leader in teaching students, right, blah blah blah, so we can just replace it. Now this edu point is actually appearing 4 times, so we can actually see the 4 places by just clicking this arrow like this. Okay, you understand? There's the 4th one. We can also go back to the one and then let's just replace it, the first one and then the second one. Okay, so we are done with that, so we can just click the save changes. So if you go back here, if we refresh it, we can actually see that in 24 hours school, in 24 hours school is an international leading, we have 2 in 24 hours, okay, school, okay, let's go someone I'm looking at. Okay, this place in 24 hours school is, let's say, an international leading, an international leader in teaching schools to write. Okay, yeah, you can just edit the content to, the one that you want. Okay, so right now, as you can see, you can edit all the content right here, okay, under this files to the one that you want. Okay, so, and let's do a little more. Let's see if we can do a little more here. What do we have? Okay, help, save, or join us. So let's have a link here, a link on this tool. Provided you, let's say you want to join the school, we need to add the link here. So let's just see that join us there. Join us. Okay. So if you come back here, this is the join us, and then this is where the link that's supposed to take you to. Let's say somebody wants to join the school, so you can actually remove this hash, okay, and put the link. All right, let me copy this, and then sorry, I have to this. Okay, so now slash, I will be putting the script, okay, the backend script. I'll be creating a folder in the file manager there. I'll make it something like join, or let's say application. Okay, let's say application. All right, so now when somebody just maybe click on this join us, it will take the person to the registration page, okay, on the school. Okay, but we're going to do that, but I just want to put the link there, and then I'll click save. And here is this app save. Let's have a link to maybe login. All right, a login link here instead of that. So what is the app save? Let's see, app save. Sorry, I think, yeah, app save. So let's make it a login. Let's say for a returning student, we can just say login here, login here. So the same thing, we can move here and add the, let's say login. Okay, login. All right, so we click save. Okay, so when we click save, we'll go back here and then we reload it, click disable here. So did I save? Yeah, I saved. Right, another thing I need you to know, that if you want some changes will not instantly reflect. So for you to see the changes instantly on Chrome browser, you can, or any browser actually, you can control F5. Okay, it will help you see, maybe you changed an image file, it will help you see the changes immediately. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I forgot to add it, all the places that are necessary. Look at here, there's also help save. I'm supposed to, if you look at it, here's the count. There's still 2 places where this is written. So let me log in. Okay, it's a login here, and then put the link as well here, slash login. All right, so and then I'll go to the next one here. There's still another one here, login here, and then I'll put the link as well, slash login. All right, now if you click another next, you see there's 0 of 0, no other places no other places that this is appearing. So I'll have to click save now. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's refresh. All right, guys. As you can see, the login here and join us is already what reflected here. So you can also change this welcome to edu points. Like I said before, there are more places where edu points are appearing. Okay, so let's go back and type the edu points, right? Edu, no, ponies actually, ponies, right? Something like ponies. Okay, so here we have one. Here, welcome to, let's replace it with in 24-hour school. I think there's only one there, so let's click save changes. So let's go back and all right, so I think we have it here reflected. Okay, 24-hour school and all that. So if I go over here, yeah, welcome to our school in 24 hours. Okay, we can actually, edit this text, to make it more better. All right, so here you can actually do the same for all the content here. Welcome to a 24-hour school and all that. You can actually change this content here and make it yours. Change it to a login or sign up or whatever link you want to direct it to. You can do it. You can change this image as well. All right, so I'll make our main focus on this video actually is not really on the front end, but we're just touching some aspect on the front end, okay, so that you get a clue, okay, on how to do it. All right, so you can change the logo here. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Okay, how do you do this? First of all, you just right click here and open image. Okay, so the file is what named this. All right, this. Okay, like this. So you just copy it. You already know it's on the image folder, and then this is the file. So what do? You go back to your file manager, you scroll up to images. Okay, and then we'll scroll and look for, what did we see again? Logo white. So yeah, here's the file, right? So this is it. Okay, white. So you go back here. You can actually delete it, but first of all, know that you have to copy the file name. Okay, so that when you're uploading it, you upload and rename it to this file, so that it can match whatever it's in here. All right. So if you paste it, you see that this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo here. But if you upload something there and it's not carrying this name, you get an error on the front page here. Okay, so let's go back. Let's delete first of all. Okay, so let's try and make a simple logo. Let's just try and make a simple logo. Okay, all right, so I've opened this app design software. So actually a cloud-based software, so just you can use it to design simple logos. All right, so I'll come to slogan and maybe I'll put come to slogan and put something like nice place to learn. Symbol, I can just search symbol, maybe put And let me see, you can search for school. Let me see if I have that. Okay, you can just put something like this, and I'll make the logo on top here, and then I'll make it transparent. Okay, so you can just choose any color, but I'm just trying to make it okay, let's try and make it this. Okay, you can copy this and make it as well. Just a simple design. Okay, so then we can just come here, save, and then you can download. So now we have to go back to our design, sorry, our file manager. Okay, so and we have to upload the file. Okay, here, so let me click on the upload, select file, go to download. Here's actually the file we just did, and to make it a little bit better, we edit it later. Okay, so come here and then you click open, then go over here, scroll down to that's the file, and then remember we have to rename it. Okay, rename it to, oops, sorry, that's the file, we rename it. Okay, so that it works fine. So now if we go over here and try to refresh, okay guys, so here is the file. Like I said, we'll have to resize it. If we scroll down to the footer aspect, here it's the logo. Okay, that's just how to change the logo, all right, from the site. Okay, so now I will want us to go into the backend. So it's really simple. All you have to do is to edit, for you to edit all the contents here. All the content here is to just go over to the index.html. Here you can actually edit everything here. Okay, so let's go over to upload our script, okay, from backend. That's the management system of the school. Okay, so now let's close here first, then close this place, close here. All right, so now we'll go back to our root directory, which is the public underscore html. So now this is the second part of the video. This is the part 2 of the video. And this is the part where we will install the school management script itself. Okay, the management script that takes care of the teachers login, student login, text, exam, courses, and all that. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So now the first thing we have to do, will create a folder called application. Remember here we already put the link, okay, for these two. Okay, remember it where we had to put this for the login, created a login, and here on the root directory where we actually in the index.html we actually put the link. Okay, that's the domain name slash application. So right now we are going to create the folder. Okay, so to do that, the first thing we have to do is to go to folder and then click to create the folder called application. Okay, so this is the folder application. To double click on it and then we have to upload the script in this folder. So upload, select file. So here is the script. Okay, click on it and click open. So now we will wait for it to upload. Okay. Alright guys, so it has finished uploading successfully. So let's click here to go back. So click on this and right click, and then we extract the file. Click extract files. Okay, it has been extracted. Close. So now what we do next, we'll go over to our cPanel. Then we have to create a database. Okay, scroll down. So click on the MySQL database wizard. Yeah, name anything, just give it a name, anything. Say in 24-hour ch. Let's put it that way. Next, you can still name it the same thing. Okay. Then for the password, generate. Let's click this. Then use this. We'll save it somewhere. Okay. Click create user. So make sure you check this box to allow all privileges. So I'll copy this and save because we will use it. We're going to have need of it. So then scroll down and click next. So after doing this, we'll scroll down a little and we'll go to the section under the my database. We'll click my PHP admin. Okay, then we are going to upload the database file. Okay, so we will click on this. Here's the database we created. Click on this, then we'll click import. Click choose file. Here's the file. Then scroll down and click go. So it's going to upload the database file into our database. Okay, that's import has been done. Okay, import has been successfully finished. All right, so now let's go to our file manager. We'll go to application here, double click on it to open, click config. Now is the time for us to connect the database, okay, to what? Our script. Okay, so click on database here, click edit, click edit. So we'll scroll down. So okay, then we now update it with what? The information here. Okay, the username we have to repeat. Actually, the username and the database name is the same, so the same with the data we created. So we have to go back. If you look at these two things, they are the same. So now I'll put the password. Put the password here. Okay. After doing this, I will now what? Click the save changes. Alright, so we have successfully, now you can close this file. We have successfully created a database, uploaded the database file, and then connected it. What we have to do next to log into the backend is to go over to log/application/login. Alright, it will take us to the dashboard, the admin dashboard. Okay, sorry, the admin login. All right, the login page. So we have to enter our login information. So then we'll click login. All right, so here's the dashboard of the management system. Okay, as you can see right now, the school has 0 students. Here's the numbers of students. This is the overview. Okay, so this total numbers of students, total numbers of teachers. This is the parents. Okay, you can actually have the data of the parents and also the data of staffs. Okay, so you can reach out to parents, you can write to the parents of any particular student right from the dashboard. Okay, and also for staffs and teachers. Okay, so today's attendance, this is like the overview. Okay, you can go to attendance. Zero students are attending today. Okay, so this is yeah, okay, accounts of July and everything. Okay, expense of July. So right now there is no data. Okay, so yes, online admissions, and yes, users, academics, exam, accounting, the back office, and then settings. So let's go to settings first. Scroll down. So system settings. Okay, here you can enter in 24 hours. That's the name of the school. I'm just using this. Okay, then you can enter the info at the name of the school as well, maybe 24 hours school. All right, .com or anything. Okay, can I enter the contact number of the school? All right, could be this or whatever, anything, contact number. All right, so also the address, and then you can scroll down a little. Okay, and all this, you can enter the website of the school. You can say this school. Okay, can be all right, by maybe your name of designing the website. Okay, so all right, so you can just update the setting. All right, okay, so all right, and then you can go to, let's scroll down, we'll go to this, let's go to school settings. Okay, you can also update the data here. All right, here is the online admission right here. So let's scroll down, let's enroll a student. Let's say Robin's email will be anything. Let's say Robin, or let's just use this. Then phone number optional. Okay, date of birth. Let's say this month. Let's say 05, and let's say 2000. Sorry, 2000, and let's say 10. Okay, so gender. Let's enter male. The blood group could be anything. Okay, so the photo of the student is the educational qualifications, the address of the student. So let's say 20 Lagos Airport Road. So now this is the name of the parent, Robin Chick, and this is going to be the email of the parent. Okay, then this is the number, the phone number of the parent. Let's say this. This is the gender. Okay, So after doing this, we just click submit. So successfully has been recorded your request. You will be notified by email, okay, about this. All right, so now let's go over to the dashboard and refresh. So as we can see, we have one parent enrolled already. And then we have one admission, one online admission. So we have to come over here and approve it. Okay. Okay. Then we will enter the class and then the section, but we don't really have that yet. So let's go and do that. Okay. So let's go to academics and enter classroom, class departments, and the rest of them. Okay. All right. Let's go to class. Let's start a class. Class name, let's say JS1. All right. So let's go to classroom. Inside the classroom, JS1, let's say A. All right, I'll go over to this class and or we could leave it like that. We could leave it like that. So let's go to department. Let's add a department. Let's say science. Right? So let's see what we have here. Let's add subjects. Let's add for JS1. Let's say biology. Create subjects. Let's add another one. Let's say maths. Let's add another one. Let's say English. Okay, so you can add as many as you want. Okay, so well, let's go to where should we add an event? Well, let's add an event. Let's end of the year party or so. Let's add a new event. Say end of year party. We could make it any date. Just say December. Let's say December 7th. And it's still the same day. Okay, so we just save event, right? So that's for the event. You can have as many events as you wish or you want. So I think we're done with event and departments, classroom. Have we done department? Have we done no. Let's say science. Let's say science. Science and let's say art. let's say, oh, I think we've added already. I think we had one already. So let's okay. So I think that we do for now. So let's go over to the online admission that we had, and let's try and approve. You can also see the education qualification as the result or whatever the qualification the person submitted there. And so let's approve this student into JS1 and into the section, the block A. So submit. All right, so if we go over to our dashboard, we right now see that we have one student and we have one parent. Okay, so now if for the daily activities, you can go to, let's say, daily attendance. All right, so we can take attendance here. For instance, we can take attendance for this date. Select, you have a lot of classes. Say show students, and then we'll say Robin, present. You just update attendance. So we'll go to users, and then so now let's go over to the users where we have teachers, students, and the rest. Okay, so let's go to users. Let's go to students. Let's add a new student. You can add bulk admission. You can upload a cell, and take a single admission. Okay, so here you are manually enrolling a student. Okay, so let's go to, let's say, Jane Okafor. Let's say Jane email is this at gmail.com. So the password, the parent is let's say the parent is Robin Chuck. The class JS1, section E. The birthday, we could just we could pick any date. Actually, just pick any date. The gender, a male, the blood group, address, can put any address. Lagos, you can put the the correct address. Actually, phone number, let's put this. Okay, so let's upload, and so we'll pick this and upload, and then we can add the student. Okay, right, student added successfully. So if we go back to dashboard, we have two students. We have you can do it online, you can do it manually. Let's create a teacher. Let's say we have Jennifer, and Jennifer's email is this. Password, department, let's say science. Let's say this would be, should we say this should be head, let's say head teacher. The number could be anything, it could be the number, okay. All right, so let's say a male, blood group could be any one there. So the social media profiles, you can also add them if you want to. All right, so also you can add any, add the address, then about us. Sorry, not about us actually, as in about the teacher. This is a new teacher and good one. Okay, maybe. All right, so let's upload the teacher. Let's upload the teacher, and then we create the teacher. Okay, while teacher is added successfully, I'm just trying to make sure that this video isn't too long. So accountant, you can add accountant, all right, of the school. You can add the details here, all right. So scroll down, Liberian as well as Liberian, okay, for exams. So marks, exams, grades, okay. All right, you can actually have those done here, all right. So I think this is it, all right. So this is it. Okay, remember we added teacher. This we have 2 students and 1 parent, okay. Okay, let's go to the accounting aspect of the site, the student fee manager, okay. So you can add mass invoice, you can add a single invoice. Let's add a single invoice, just one. Let's select student. Let's say we want invoice to be done. Let's say invoice title. Let's say school school new shoe or anything, you know. Total amount could be 20. Total paid 10 already. Select. Let's say unpaid. So create invoice. Okay, so yes, invoice. So you can actually do a lot with this management script, okay. So same thing, expense category, okay, you can add expense, all right, daily expense, expense manager, okay, you can have that as well here. Okay, we've seen this library, it's a book list manager, okay, you can have full library management here, all right, notice board also you can have here. Okay, so this is cool. This is cool. So I believe that you have learned something. I believe you've been able to see how you can get a fully functional school management system. Okay. So if you like this video, please give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel so it can help us grow fast and help us get content across to you guys. Okay, so please share this video if you like, and if you want to contact me, my number would be on the description of this video. And also please do well to get a hosting account through Bluehost. It's very important for script like this. You need a very good hosting solution, okay, and that Bluehost will give to you. All right, so check out my link, please. You can register for a Bluehost account through my link. Please do that, okay, for me, so I can get at least reward for my hard work. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye bye.